Let me show you how to create a brunch and bubbly template to sell in your Etsy shop. You know I don't like starting from scratch if I don't have to, so I'm grabbing one from the stock template section. From there, I'll make a few simple edits to make it shop ready. First, I'll change the name to something like Jessica Marie, just enough to help shoppers visualize their own event. Next, I'll set the date and time. May 30th, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. is perfect. It doesn't have to be real, but it should look realistic in the preview. I'll swap in a generic address like 123 Palm Drive, Miami, Florida, and keep the RSVP line simple and polished. You can even tweak the colors to reflect the mood or season. It's a small adjustment, but it helps your listing stand out. Once it's polished, it's ready to go live. The design is doing the heavy lifting. You're just adding the finishing touches to make it sellable. Want more tips like this? Tap like and follow for more behind the scenes peeks into prepping your templates for your shop.